Welcome to DJM TV.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una once again to DJM TV. Una what's up channel where they give una ogbonge update like this as the hot. Yes, so still on the matter trendy wedding wey happen last weekend of this our sister wey they call Veekee James. A lot of reactions, so many reactions don follow unto the wedding wey be say happen o. Veekee James wey be designer marry last weekend. After the wedding, a lot of con ten t creators, celebrities don come out come dey talk one or two unto the way wey be say she take do during the wedding. Some talk say only she by herself wan make the wedding trend. She begin dey do things, dey post things, dey talk things just to make the wedding trend. A lot of things, so people don dey come dey give am gbas as e dey hot, my people, no be small thing o. Right now, my people, the controversial relationship therapist wey dey call Blessing CEO, she don come outside o. She don come give dem gbas as in dem come give dem wotowoto. All those wey dey drag Veekee James say she do like this, she do like that during her wedding. Blessing CEO don give dem wotowoto. Anyway, my people, no go talk too much. Play on this video, now una lis ten, una watch, una lis ten to Blessing CEO wetin she talk concerning this whole matter. Make una watch and make una share with the come.
If Veekee James did not show this guy now, the most you people will say she's hiding the guy because he's a married man. Ruth Kadiri wedded, she did not show us her husband. Kemi, a lawyer, came and said he's a married man. If you keep your relationship private, you are dating a married man. You bring it public, you are doing oversabi. You're a nuisance. I don't understand what you Nigerians want to. Veekee James' own is not even that she's dating, she's marrying. We are even saying keep your relationship private. All through the period that she and Femi was dating, we did not know, apart from insiders, people like us, where they the street of Lagos, we know what's in there happen. But for one day, she did not come to put out any man on the internet to pepper us until it was time for her to get married. What did she do wrong? Can somebody tell me what her crime is? Is it her wedding dress or the clothes? She's a freaking designer. It's just like CEO Savage. Did you see the kind of house that CEO Savage built? Those things are part of advertisement. When you go to CEO, a lot of people, do you know how much CEO Savage would have made by that house that she built? Because mainly by that advertisement, some people will see her house and say, do this one for me. I like the way you do this one. All these things are advertisements. Her wedding was a form of a way of also advertising herself globally. So I don't know why you people are angry that somebody wore 100 outfits on her own wedding day. I don't know what the boss is about. She's a Zion ministry. She took microphone. She sang. That is the way she want to do her own. Me, on my wedding day, I am going to do karaoke. You people should pray that I have not learned how to dance before I find this husband. Because I will prepare you people. I will wear 92 outfits and I will tell the DJ to give me time so I can dance on bomb shots. When I'm done dancing on bomb shots, I will call my Ogbanje people. This one where Pretty Mike do for her wedding. No, I will call the water goddess. They will carry calabash and come and turn around and do drama number 2. Drama number 3, I will now bring another babalawo that will carry snake around the neck. Drama number 4. The drama will be so much now. Now Blessing CEO go just marry and I no go talk. People will wail. If I bring babalawo finish, I go bring White Garment Church. If I bring White Garment Church, I go come bring Pax. So I go mix them together. Both deity, both Jesus Christ, both Christianity. I will mix it together on my wedding day. And now gaga. Is it no entertainment? And people are here crying. On top of an innocent woman that she's enjoying her marriage. What if you people sadist? People should just pray. You people are lucky that Veekee James is quiet. If it's somebody like me, I will write it on my page. Because of the too much noise you people are making, I shift this wedding for a continuous 1 month carnival. When Veekee James said, I am finally going to say yes, somebody said, hey. Veekee James just wedded and the whole Lagos was shut down. We are waiting for honeymoon. So those of you that don't even like the way she's doing Serense in her wedding, honeymoon have not happened. No. Remember, she will still come and disturb us with honeymoon. Me, I am ready. I have data to watch. I love all her outfits. I love beautiful things. So Veekee James, I beg, do quick, organize honeymoon and come and pepper us. Let's know the country you guys are traveling to. I would like to see you and your husband on PJ. You even marry fine guy. You said you be fine girl. I love young couples. You are both cute. Please, Veekee James, do and come and give us honeymoon so that they can cry past 2. After the honeymoon, you come back and come and give us pregnancy shoots so that they can cry part 3. When you finish pregnancy shoot, you will now give us childbearing shoot. On the day that your child will go for child dedication, I know the child will wear 50 outfits so that he will also cry. So Veekee James, give them more reason to bleed, because I see no reason why all my life all Veekee James does is make people look beautiful. On your wedding day, you go to Veekee James. You want a very beautiful occasion, you go to Veekee James. She styles you for your beautiful and your wonderful day. Look at how beautiful most of her brides are. Veekee James makes beautiful dresses. I cannot take that one away from her. Just because say she costs and most of you have not been able to afford her. She's very good. Now, this is something this woman has done all her life. I can imagine every time she styles a bride, how she would pray and imagine her own wedding would be like. In her reach at all, people say she should not style herself. If Veekee James can go extra on a bride, ordinary AMVCA, did you see your SAS dress? Go to the AMVCAs and look at people who were well dressed. Now Veekee James, after Veekee James, you see Tiana Empire. Now Veekee James then bring these corsets. So it just feels like this girl has been working all her life. For the first time, she's also enjoying the moment. You understand? Being dressed like a bride. She's now the attention. You people are not crying. I don't understand. Why are you people crying? I don't get it. You know, anywhere I go to on the internet, Veekee James, and I read the comment and I'm so cold. If it was me, I would say, okay, I controversial. It now makes me understand that this insult is just a bunch of wicked set of dirty demons. It's not about controversy. It's about their minds. That's so wicked. I should not marry again. I should not change cloth again because you cannot afford to change. Me, I can afford to change clothes. You cannot afford to change clothes. Why are you crying? I don't even understand my point. You get what I'm saying now? You get what I'm saying? If I want to change 100 clothes on my wedding day, we change it. It's not a business. People should stop all this witchcraft, I beg. To all my young, beautiful ladies, love is a beautiful thing. Some people are saying, let the marriage last too. It will last in Jesus' name. But as long as it lasts, it will be beautiful. It's still okay to create beautiful memories. Weddings happen once in your life. Is except you want to remarry. Wedding is a special occasion. It happens once in our life. So if you have the money and you want to shut down the whole Lagos state, please shut down the whole Lagos state. Don't mind all this noise maker. If you want to have a quiet wedding, have a quiet wedding. My own is that you people just want to be imposing your lifestyle on us.
Hey, my people, don't be smart, oh. Blessings, you not change for them, as see the others. My people, the update will carry off and I just be this. So I wanna say my people are reason I'm make una drop a comment and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ